Hi dudes, what's up? Creative in Laboratory is here. So today we are going to show you. Actually, I was unable to make the videos for a long time because why do I always shift from the point? So let's begin it. This gems ball is the must need for all the videos. So okay, for the first one you will require this gems ball, a USB adapter male. That was not the adapter, that was the wire. This is the adapter. Or you can take any other USB source from where you can power this material. A small fan blade, a DC motor, some scissors, and an ice cream spoon. Okay? So let's begin it. So you will need to take the gems ball and open its top. Okay? Now with your pair of scissors you need to make a hole here for the entry of the wire. So here I have made a hole. Now similarly a hole needs to be done here, right here. I have made an additional what do you call it, it's not a full hole, a semi hole. Okay, I have made a semi hole in here so that the wires can be so that this part does not stay up right like this when you put in the wires. Okay, now let's move on to the main. I hope I glued it right. Oh my goodness. And then you need to glue this thing. Okay, so here is your end product. I don't know why these string-like material come out of the hot glue. Please comment about that. I need to know it. Okay, so now you are ready. Your next job is to glue this thing, the ice cream stick, inside your gems ball. So let's do this. I think it will quite be a difficult task. Okay, so now let's glue this. That side is done. A thin layer of glue will do. Okay, do not waste much of your glue on that thing. So we are done. Okay, now let's do. Then you need to connect your blade to your DC motor like this, and then connect the DC motor to your USB cable wires. So here you are ready. See, quite a good wind. Okay. Okay, so you can power it by any USB source available. So thanks for watching our channel. Please subscribe and like our videos and enjoy making this project. Goodbye for our next video.